عاقبة للمتقين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين أما بعد. All praise is for Allah, the Lord of all the worlds, the most gracious, the most merciful. Honorable President, respected Principal Sir, respected our teachers, parents, and esteemed guests, and all my dear students. First of all, I wish you a happy Republic Day. Today, we are celebrating 26th January, the Republic Day of India. On this day, our Constitution came into force. Rights, duties, and the power to live with dignity. India is not just a country, India is our identity. It is a land of love, courage, and unity, and beautiful. Our freedom fighters made many sacrifices for this nation. Because of them, we live in a free and democratic country today. We should always remember their hard work and respect our national values. As a teacher, my heart fills with pride when I see my students. You are the hope and future of India. If you study well, speak the truth, respect others, and help the needy, you will become a responsible citizens of tomorrow. Let us promise today, love our country and follow the rules and respect our Constitution. May our country always remains peaceful, strong and united. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.